explorers of the unknown. Today, we embark on a journey into the hidden corners of our world. Places so incredible, so astonishing, that you might wonder if they're real. Welcome to the top 5 places in nature you never knew existed. Prepare to be transported to the enchanting Socotra Island in Yemen, a living testament to the boundless amazement found within nature. Here, the dragon's blood trees stand as living relics of a bygone era. These trees, named for their crimson sap that resembles blood, have a unique shape reminiscent of umbrellas. Their presence on this isolated island gives it an otherworldly aura, as if plucked from the realm of fantasy. The flora and fauna of Socotra are equally remarkable. Species found nowhere else on Earth call this island home, from the bottle trees to the Socotra warbler. Exploring this island is like stepping into a living canvas of life's diversity. Beneath the sunlit surface of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula lies a hidden aquatic treasure, Cenote Angelita. This cenote, or sinkhole, holds a secret so astonishing that it's like something out of a dream. As divers descend into its depths, they encounter a surreal phenomenon, a hydrogen sulfide layer, creating the illusion of an underwater river. It's a visual masterpiece that challenges our perception and blurs the line between reality and imagination. Diving into Cenote Angelita is like entering a dream realm. This hidden oasis of wonder proves that beneath the surface, our planet still holds secrets waiting to be unveiled. Venture to Northern Ireland's Antrim coast, and you'll encounter a puzzle within nature: the Giant's Causeway. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is artistry said to have been formed by volcanic forces. The causeway's hexagonal basalt columns, allegedly formed by lava flows, create a pattern that defies imagination. As if crafted by giants, this geological wonder continues to captivate minds and inspire legends. Walking amidst these columns is like stepping into a symphony of nature and time, where the echoes of volcanic history resonate with every step. The Giant's Causeway challenges us to ponder and invites us to marvel at Earth's design. Behold, the mesmerizing Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, an otherworldly landscape that blurs the boundaries between reality and mirage. This surreal salt flat is like no place on Earth. After rainfall, the Salar de Uyuni transforms into a colossal mirror, reflecting the sky in perfect symmetry. This breathtaking phenomenon turns the salt flat into a celestial canvas, where sky and earth intertwine. The geometric patterns etched into the salt surface adds to the mesmerizing appeal. This salt flat challenges our perception of space and invites us to explore its hidden mysteries. Prepare to witness a spectacle, very real indeed, though it may seem like something of myth: the door to hell in Turkmenistan. This burning crater of a fiery earth leaves us in awe. The door to hell, reported as a natural gas field ignited by the Soviet scientists in 1971, has been burning ever since. Its eerie glow cast an otherworldly light across the Karakum Desert, like a portal to another dimension. As you gaze into the chasm, you can't help but marvel at the contrast between the inferno below and the tranquil desert above. The door to hell beckons us to confront the uncharted territories of our planet. As we conclude our journey through these 5 places you never knew existed, remember that our world is a tapestry of wonders waiting to be uncovered. From soaring dragons' blood trees to blazing craters, the marvels of creation are endless. From the towering dragon's blood trees to the hidden abyss of Cenote and Harita, from the geometric marvels of Giant's Causeway to the surreal mirror of Salar de Uyuni, and from the fiery maw of the door to hell to countless more hidden gems, our planet never ceases to amaze. As we conclude our journey through these hidden marvels, let's remember that even in a world connected by technology, there are places that still defy our imagination, beckoning us to uncover their secrets and revel in their beauty. Keep your senses sharp and your curiosity alive, for in the heart of nature's hidden sanctuaries, the mysteries of our world are waiting to be discovered.